all God's children. There was a time in biblical history and world history when God's children were held captive in Egypt. And Moses came, and you guys know the story about how God sent Moses, the deliverer, to deliver the children of Israel, right? Right? And there was a part in that deliverance process where they had the Red Sea in front of them, and they had Pharaoh's army behind them. And I can imagine the people that were with this leader begin to talk some junk. They began to talk some garbage. And I can just imagine, and I just can see Moses stepping out and saying to God, I know you didn't have me out in the wilderness all those years tending sheep. I know you didn't talk to me through the burning bush. I know you didn't sing. I know you didn't go with all the plagues that you put. I know you didn't kill all of the Egyptians just to bring us to the Red Sea to leave us. And he stepped out in faith. And he put his staff in the water, and the waters parted. That was beautiful, and then the people were able to cross over because of the faith of Moses. And because God had told Moses that he was going to deliver his people, and he didn't bring him that far to leave them. But listen. The story wasn't, Moses, I'm going to get you across the Red Sea. The story was, I'm going to take you to the land of promise. They could have got happy about Red Sea and Pharaoh's army being drowned and just partying on the shore. But that wasn't the promise. That wasn't the promise. The promise was the land of milk and honey, right? That's what the promise was. That's what they teach us in